So hi team, this is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore. In the May month, we are going to start new batch on Azure Data Engineer with the Gen AI. The new batch is going to start from 4th May 2026. The class timings morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So in the Azure Data Engineer, it includes like Azure Data Factory, Databricks, Python, PySpark, Synapse, along with the Gen AI. If anyone interested to learn, reach out this number 9538160185. The highlights of this training institutes. So we're going to provide real-time online classes. After class is done, we are providing each class recording videos for future reference purpose. You can watch a number of times along with the real-time scenarios we're covering. So materials we're providing, it's readily available. Project explanation, we're taking the project explanation and we're explaining. Resume preparations we're doing. Mock interviews we're conducting. Doubts and clarifications we're explaining. Interview questions and answers also we're explaining. So this is my institute website www.nandinisoftware.com. This is my YouTube channel. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is my WhatsApp number. Anytime you can call this number for more updates. So this is the course content. We're going to teach it. Let me show you my course content. Let me open the course content. So this is the course content. The www.NandiniSoftware. This is the course content we're covering. We're covering SQL, Python, data factory, database, data like this is my fabric also we're covering. So from first 1 to 10 fundamentals we're covering it. For the more details, we'll visit this my website. If you go for my website www.nandinisoftware.com, nandinisoftware.com, you will get the course content also here. Let me show you. Go to www.nandinisoftware.com, go for the courses. So go for data factory, read more, click the read more, click the read more. So there is a course content available. You can check it, the course content available here. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.